Hey, Mommy here. I am at a conference in Orlando for the next 3 days and staying at the JW Marriott Grande Lakes. This is a very nice Marriott. I'll get a better shot of this tomorrow, but it looks like I have a pool and lake view, which is unusual since I usually have a parking lot view. So we have our desk and workspace over here. Lots of plug-ins and USB ports. We've got a coffee station. We've got a couple of waters in there. And then it looks like we've got a beverage cooler here. Oh, more water in there. Big screen TV. Nice full-length mirror here. Looks like these are 2 queen-size beds. And we've got more plug-ins over here. Your in-room telephone. I'm guessing our Bible. A nice full-size closet with your iron and ironing board. Oh, we've got a robe and some slippers and our safe. Looks like that is a nice size safe. And into our bathroom, there is a separate stand-up shower here and also a tub that looks pretty deep. So that's nice. Got all of our towels in the separate toilet area. So that is about it. Have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!